Hi friends, welcome to Pcs kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make Goan white anchovies curry, Velliyachi Kodi. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 3 green chilies slit, 2 kokum pieces, masala, 1 small size of ginger cut into fine strips, 1 small size of onion sliced, half medium size grated coconut, half teaspoon jeera, cumin seeds, small bowl of tamarind, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon haldi turmeric powder, 25 pieces button chilies. You can use more if you wanted more spicy. 30 pieces of yellow white anchovies which I have cleaned, washed and applied salt. And salt as per your taste. Now we'll add the masala in the mixer grinder. Add water as required. Now we'll grind this into fine paste. Our grounded masala is ready. Now we'll add the masala in a pan. Water, chilies, kokum, ginger and onions. Fish, velliyo, white anchovies, salt as per your taste. Mix. We'll cook the curry on medium flame for 10 minutes. Our curry is done. Now let's plate it up. Our Goan white anchovy curry is ready. Velliyachi Kodi ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.